Go ahead. How much of this solution do we put in?
2 quarts.
And this is a 95 Oldsmobile Aurora V8. We've already drained the oil, and we're adding this solution that hardens with heat. Alright. This is what is required. This is what has to be done when a cash for clunkers comes in, since we cannot resell the engine. Now we're going to start it up. This may take a few minutes.